Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device theme. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Customization and go into Accent Color. Pick one of the available ones and tap Save. Now go into System Icons, pick one of the options and tap Save again. Go into Font, pick your font style, click Save, and lastly, go into Icon Pack and pick one of the available ones. Tap Save, and now, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!